Introduction. Social media is a very effective way to reach the general public and turn them into paying customers. If you are a business, there is no asset as resourceful and affordable as social media to understand consumer habits and buying patterns. These platforms are a boon for brands that want to disseminate information about their products and services. And if you use the right mechanism, you might be able to hit a goldmine of buyers. But like everything else, you need to have a strategy, and there are a few ways to do that right. The first step, of course, is to have a social media presence. Set up your accounts with a clear title and description. Add the URLs to your website, and make a plan to interact with your customers and potential buyers on a regular basis. This is how you reach them at a personal level. Social media is one of the most inexpensive ways of marketing a product or service. You don't need to work too hard once you know the message. And there are plenty of free tools at your disposal that can help you create quick and jazzy content. All you need to do is post consistently, and you will build a loyal audience in no time. That is why many bloggers use it to reach their readers and viewers without spending a single penny. Social media is also a great way to stay in the minds of your customers. In marketing terms, this is often referred to as top-of-the-mind recall. When a customer is thinking of the products or services that you offer, your brand is one of the things, if not the first one they recall. For example, oftentimes, Apple is for smartphones, Domino's is for pizza, Lay's is for chips, Coke for soft drinks, and so on. This is done by creating an image for your brand that is hard to forget. Social media is an extremely useful tool when it comes to this. Over time, it converts individuals interested in your product or service into paying customers. It's all about creating an unforgettable impression in the minds of the customer. This makes you everyone's first choice. Now, if you understand the competition, you will be able to find ways to beat them too. In fact, you can even build on their ideas and beat them at their own game. The basic engagement metrics are available for everyone to see. You can keep tabs on their popularity to a certain extent while you're still working on your own. Check their content, keep an eye on the comments, and look at the features they are enabling to better serve their customers. Make yourself aware of their strategy so that you can incorporate some of that into your own.